ekpuru me chaka bare de jiri be nwe. Hey, akaji police be mad arrest. Akaji police threat them mad. Akaji police guys, uno to come end their program biano that when akuko karere. Akuko karere. Hey! Jesus, because I'm coming. Hey! You oh God, OMG shege. Onyo le puru mana shaka ya rocha. If it's an able to ya untigano luya. No follow them this. Hey, madam, gonna digi. Share this program because. Hey, Jesus, help my military boy, you bogoro. Hey, Jesus, Jesus, me. Jema download the video ka idiota. I saw all the first instruction in them. Can download the video. Hey, Chineke na me. Yobo ware. Bring it back one time. I can't watch in the imbecile. Next time, Igbo, I'm so for the school, but who the emotion as George. Hey, man, I could call carry. Everyone can get bit of that. Where we're gonna start. Hey, no one died. I said it. Because share the video because that's what I'm sharing and that's me play very powerful voice notes. Because video download or say so because I bring none gig and you show na this live program in your chagala bu. Geba nonte because I show nya gebu ebu eja no lu ya be fe ebu me. I could this, I could that, I could this because I could Matthias arrest about somebody able. But what do tell her? To make a boy. Kubulaka Emo Ebony son, Ebony lost son. Chai. I just pity your future. Udela Gakagema. Udela Gakagema. When I got ex-convict, the way I am breathing on a mess, come sugar mess in a threat AIG, nigga, a post number online. Imagine my like a bash. I'm go that one already. I'm go that actually already. She manami oko, she anema. She anu video piano bia gerenu. Abramu ndi Igbo na-eji mana sentimental ebibe o makechi bia. Why are you not be fasting doing this now? Why are you slowing down? Be fasting downloading. Be fasting downloading. No ide mo kempa. Hey, now let me give you guys how this thing started. Imana Kembeshi, I could be busy. Boy, I am the small. I will come, I'll call you. Thank God, up from Yetun small. Ubu self for all IG na boy, I will call you. Get until Kamiri should be up you bogro. Get pan on 10. One yan disturb back. Paraka even I couldn't play voice notes. Ne play voice. Imanamba did this woman bidro disturb mab. And who this man in the Akwego? You know, but the man give Akwego. Just another face of even you talk that with the last face. Now listen what happened. But this woman ibidro. But this man ibidro. But this woman in Akwego. The man ibidro. Problem. The woman is shocking. I can't help her poor Gweje Merali. Now, okay, now listen. This woman, akogwara that when somebody no on nature. Give up one thing. The woman is she on. Na actually no on nature, kwa she amba. Ye bito. Manya ke no on nature. The location the woman abia buru the manya me offload. Everything not on a voice note, I will play it. Him na koga like I'm nenye tunu hint before me play this voice note. The woman she don't worry na 2 persons can sell in on nature. Who don't wish no nya bunyere manya. Na any agreement 2 persons aga no. The woman she don't worry. Ya kuyashi na ebulatra from Lagos. Na wonye gama no nature. Akwa onwanga era nwanga eji umuji ya nwe problem. Because the woman be there be brew the manya na area no nature. Without a consent no nature. The mapa no nti. The woman a bit orema this manya no nature. This thing that cause even in Bamana wanga ya. Ima the woman is around ako. Here bodala. That you should not bother. No nya dress no Lagos ka but no one ga. I was listening to everything he can't boom. Akoshin don't worry. Mgbe ha ru ebe ha ga-eru onye olaga tender everything. They are ex-convicts. Yeah, that can happen because they are wasting time. Akoshin actually help because you not get ready for your own. Because the reason why I'm telling you, the man anama coming before years over. I want you to be fortified. No. Onye mete ye ichi aburu. Now listen. But this man if you don't threat na ako because one ya gbara ako do not refund any money to this man. Come go me and kenke because mbenga be the full program ga let I need to help to no ga. I know I'm cheerful. That means I have to be leaving now because flight dim hana and e what go. This woman e bito gwana agwa ako ye kwepala to an extent this woman aga church. Ebo gare church ebe amuma record do ihe the prophetess na gbadia na send rako. Oh madam. Oh unu the worst thing unu putara we and madam why are you deleting voice note you send rako? Imana kwe save all those things. Why are you deleting voice note? Imana save ya because very soon I gonna be bito na boya na blue app wa. I gonna be bito Ghana when the prophet John God digi that digi here na actually na village. No ka digi jeme na digi mecha regret. Guys, it can play go this one be fine enough. Fonde bia buru shi na akpa ko onye oshi. Bia keza hanya na akpo ya ebony lotion bleaching cream. Are you ready? Egu jikwazu bleaching nanga. Anokwa egu jikwazu bleaching nanga. No yen kwa gwa go ke na adi ready ke na dey well fortified. Because who look for trouble will get trouble. I can't picture who video akumbi. But why you shi? Or what you billionaire? Why are you deleting it? Imagine when people get record here. Thank God for the smart recorders. Because I'm gonna get delete here. I'm gonna get delete. I got that call you. The same person who could that all audio billionaire can put on an ex-convict na imana mad we connection and then bad again. So who is the person who audio who's ego? Look at how you contradicted yourself. You came out on life. Go and listen to yourself. The same person in our audio billionaire. Can refer gapa imana mad we connection and the bani who's here home on the so I can go for real. Just share image here. Go and listen to yourself. Neighbor him better. And listen to what she said. Don't worry, I'm a computer who made the program. Then that my computer gonna be na your audio. Can matter zone the confusion at the more jealousy, more envy, or hatred. Get about your brother. Programmer ex-convict just to make channel. Can you put her there? Him and the banana like equal jerk. In the bani, how an onye jega, when you want a connection, how not you make a friends. Akwa the same person he criticized an audio billionaire. No G Tenkobo. Nobody who can be. No baby good woman demand 19 million. Are you ready? Ebony lost son bleaching. Imotele. Manka yeshine geku that ebuko bire puru madu. The game has started. Oh, me not don't they know they hear me. You could akara wipe pogike. They know the kubu. Emma, ashi him ho. Him who do no long time. Because I know you. Abraham Akodati, you can never change. People don't change. They just pretend at the moment. Abraham that you will come back again. But they didn't listen to me from the initial time. Good, they like I have finally listened to me. But you Ebony son, Ashi Shiko Loronya Opa Bulaya. In Loronya came Boba Bogi, but you still didn't learn your lesson. In Bagwagi, okay, one was in Pruakanamu because so he had you. Why you criminal mayor evidence boko? I could oh my God. And then Baruno, there was an agreement. There was a pay. This woman, Media Bidronama, threatened Marco. Nana, you got the woman or Aku. Young Wapala refund any morning. The woman left him. Jeme play alone one out of 10,000 messages. Let me play one to start with. Okay, he will regret all these things. He will regret to be because imagine you know because I'm a mama the table. He is more money up in a million like a bigger. I'm a mother of the man. I know. I'm a mother of the man. That man, the man and I be slow mother. Come on, is your mother, Raptalia. Is the mother in a problem on an email? On I like it, problem on mother. I mean, according to me, the lady Mondo, let him go. My have a long way. No way, they are not yet. Is saying Lucy. Captain Yamuka. Namuka, to go to their cousin. Manamu ye. Choliki and Willie Tinapa, when I got everything. Now, when we can say, then the Yagwale or stand up and down, Nana Akuli. That was before Malia, according to Nadim. Now, Mecha Nadim sing up all Japan. Now, I just don't have a call coming up. Anyway, where we are, that's a matter of number. No, where we are, where's here. Nandi actually made attack the truth, but the truth. Oh, free ya belly, your more long near Nasana. Yeah, near me a corner and make a tree now, your man belly. Man, according to the mother, as no mind, woman, and my neighbor. Only when they can't have money, what a good people. I don't know why you because you more man or to man. I get our media can frustrate you. Man, I always say issue. It's on a natural. Because it's in no bit in no because in no bit in trouble. It's in no because I'm a moment can because I also have. They want him to go back to village. Hachokona village. Asabaka made him by Sabakana more. And Hachokadimna village. I know village powerful. I could have fight a lot. Madonna fight a go sailing me. Now fight a go choice sailing me. A bit of choice in the belly was a killing. Open against very well and a message that woman in it. Here, open first Nigeria that place. We have few women who go there. In Rio. The woman had a church. 1 year record do everything that woman prophesied to dia. Nand can say can dangerous. He get on him like this. He get this woman record do dia. I'm not dia what I'm doing now. The reason why Aku did not refund no money. The woman she do not refund no money. I am the one that's into this business. I'm one into this business. Do not refund any money. That's it. I am fighting for my children. Name one. That's it. Ya wane be ha sheri jua for ya bo wa ya wo. Kema kwanti mana. Imana ndebe anyị na-achọ ka a ga-eshigbu onye aka ya dị ọcha. Oh, Jesus Christ. I could no wonder iji shimoge, don't worry. Nde she crucify ya akụ. Nwaanyị nọ na boss akụ 24/7 ọ mụwanyere gị ego. Do not refund biko. Akunu na anụ ya. Nke awụwọ na atọ agbangi ihu ebe onye amụma sana di ya sana. Akọchim biko kulube. Unu ga-anụ na asị na-ejigba aka edemani n'ihe na-eme ya agba aka. Chineke nda biko. Akụ ka ihe celebrity asịpụta butere anyị na this blue app biko. Hey! Akwa the woman kpụrụ ụgwọ. Akwa the woman shaku no try ya mo. This man emere ya ọgwụ eme. Akwa ya chaku biko eji Chineke na arịọ. Hey, this naka the man ji bịa te back na ejikwara ma ga get with a voice. It threatening gide na akụ threatening ga akụ what Abraham gị. I did not hear from Akwa before my gbagi that pen mkpụrụ. There is no way I could use police without a threat. Omero. Listen me say, before I'm like in the far. And I'm like people who sentiment. I never heard from Akanube this voice. He just playing these things now to me. This man has been in boss threatening Aku because I'm the one that gave you money. Don't try it. Aku Shoga, I did not do business with you. I did business with your wife. And she has instructed me not to refund the money. Namjiyame business. This man was forced to start sending threats before I could dirige police. Because there is no smoke without fire. You cannot tell me that I cannot get that. When my life is being threatened, I need to protect myself. When my life is being threatened, I had to use something I have to protect myself, which is exactly what I ordered, what I uttered here. There is no way. Manu get your potato today. Ara chamagi, you start telling I can go to the police, I can make intimidate. But who can do men alone she and do too much time where I can edit the police and make people intimidate. Akwa jiri keji make it about somebody ebe. Because again but people would not remove sentiment. Remove that oh my God. When I like it, you know, I'm just shaking before I follow a man, push you because majority of men in now social media won't come many. They don't watch me. They don't watch it. That can protect. Get put in action. Like it didn't believe it now. Now they put one of these things you must show. Give me the record though. Without cable, I can refund the money. I can refund the money. Ike ihenda muma jiri onu gba this man ihe na-eme ya. One ya gba di ya that. Enye ga ego na gas vandalize ya. Chineke nda. Na aga won't protect the money. Imagine when a woman was busy recording Hana professor idea. Na-enye ya akụ. Na-agba akụ. After I lekwa hejidim. Inye ego na ego alala. Emere ihe eme. Ya wuru gị, will you do it? Enyere m gị ego. Shigi jeme business. Di ma emema interfere. Ma gwa gị di m nwere problem. Lekwa he nne di m kwuru gbasara di m. Lekwa nka. Ya wuru gị, what are you going to do? For those of you that want to shoot back without getting the evidence, may God to have Ebony lost son. I just they laugh. I am gotcha again. And which is true. It's like a message ups and down, no.
I'm not at say no, something wrong somewhere. Then people aside, if people say, hey, your husband are because man, he doesn't even talk about everybody likes him. Another type of problem. Especially about neighbor business, it's ego and or if or they call something and make up regret. People, I don't know what to say, but all I know that this weekend one of his friends, then I say better friend and case your life, and we go to that man and I will show him all these things. He said, come on, this man I have no okuko, mama yano, because one man. Because many ignore because it's much because exactly you can come well. Let's say what the Lord is here. Awareness will be a critic. Come on, mafia, yaba, mafia. Because mother woman.
I couldn't know one year could not now bomba she had a create awareness. I couldn't win. Akwa 80,000. She okay. Ebony shall quarrel no go store. Akushi chana my payment receipts. Okay, Akwa bunu ga create na one. The man anapa, you know the man made a business saga home. Did you see now? No, the man made this business saga home. Yana threaten is ya shall kobazi and kitten. Na kwejila police threaten here. Oh, putala aborangishi. Unya na umma to cream. Oh, getting. Chichudeke ya go ziagi koshi nyama mami he. Can somebody say gechi? God, please bless me. I give you wisdom. Say God. I give this woman wisdom, make it dash you small. I don't remember the comment. There is no way somebody commented this kind of bitter comment. Get you that you did not say something behind the scene. Put one or two together. Make you analyze it before getting with a full report. I'm not doing anything on team because it's common sense. Common sense. Only better pretend they made video. But as they not comment that one matter on your shit. Imagine the terror on your home inside. Oh God, where is wisdom? Make I give them. They like it. God, you name me a captain. They will brain. Common sense, even things. Despite my problem, problem. Do not judge. To not judge against the person. Or bunrobishi. Onyentia huya nine. Ne post video because post here because such a reaction. May God, you know what they pray. Make any of you no get family issue come this social media. Because Namigo carry una matter for head. Make any of you no fall short of anything or one problem or one sickness. Okay, I go scatter you. Because here one jitoro no so can get jatoro no one after another. Kachineke don't want to onyo ola unpala o. Nobody should die yo. Onyo ola rekpandu. Can you know la hu home where? Unless my social media game maybe no. Then we're not gonna see any and I can say my Bama war. What a bitter set of Igbo I have ever seen in my life. People brew one side of the there is no way man pretend they made video Richard calm to deceive the public. Through that your calmness, I look deep, because some of your works look deep inside you, manashamba. Now can be deceive no fake billionaire, no car. That means you have been pretend, but that's your bitterness. Look at, don't worry, I will conduct program. Can play runu some yenda mama grade man. Yenachia. Oh, this man could have been fighting one year that tomorrow. Very anyway, this program go caron here. Very, very well. Thank God I had remezu on that time.
If you're born a fasting, if you're born a preaching mother, and say, look at when you preach me in a digger book. If you're going to see nobody change the character, because so many your name, Listen me now. What one of my house? My mother now cannot come. Also, make a demand there. Biko. So
Akwa huru the man, yeah, they give very nice, very humble. May God have mercy upon all of you that hate you. May you find peace and judge clearly. Don't use sentiment in your next word.
I need to coach on carnage in Biko. Akwa no, Igbo can none of my Louis time. Biko, my madam coach to say.
Okay. Akwa no na name. Nka wo no. Ina ga na no ebe the woman e record dia. Ebe o gara church. The prophetess are not Urudia. Scatter the woman, please don't refund that body. This man wants to scatter my body. On that note, to come happen. Escon, are you ready? Ebony son, are you ready? I saw you parankwa huchim bere biara yono. Iga share that AIG number online. Oh, Iga share. If you not share them, you go share them. You want to go? You go share them. If share who you go one leki. That's it. You got share le. Look at you placing call. Why are you trying to show the world that you have anything to offer? Why you are offerless? How many times will I go block you before you stay away from God's life? Cherezugo, let me forward this voice note to you. Okay. Cherezugo.
Never melu I no one do our
Ima this is Zuki. Why? Do you know why I fought for him? Ima why MG Doroya Chichineke Dinhambe has signed this guy. The guy is a nice guy. Ezugo woman. You don't even need to call me to thank me. You know what? See, I like Rimo women. And then go I'm dumb and I wait in Jad. I like my all gift though. Oh, but that Ogechi is the best person. Go Lambana. Put because all wisdom. My brother, you don't need to thank me. Position I ain't not that's been my wish. And they made it make sure that come reality. I am proud of you. And then you don't need to call me to thank me, my brother. Even one name mother. Even a jemba. You want to go? In one name man, you won't. I must stand there for you at any given minute. Yes, I make sure that all the possible. A woman, I will come. Yes, that is me for you. When I get them, why would I watch you suffer? He deserve more than. That is hello. When I get them, why would I watch you suffer?
Thank you very much. Never melu I no one do our so dalo in the one mother. I'm mother Jaka. Come on now. Now what I hear. Now your input so make it possible. I think I'm going one.
My brother, you don't need to kill him. I can get a meron. You wish you won't elechana moge. Elechana chamba. A woman, okay. Daisy, where are you?
Oh, gee, I'm here.
Man, okay. Ogwa side. That matter where I no go carry for your head again. You deserve it. Even you deserve more. Don't worry. Igamana ndi ebube chere akuge mege mma bankete. Let me be the main game. You want to go? So continue, man, my sister. Continue.
Some people don't know you. I'm only when a good person, the kind of heart you have, you know, the only page owner. I won't call you content creator because you need to create content. You are the only page owner na Facebook we got that if you stand with somebody, you are the only page owner I met online, turned to my sister. You cannot see Ebana or somebody with your friend. Even if that person is not there, you will defend the person.
Of course. Then it was inside the bathroom and
inside, there's a drama. How many times people that are to you, do rubbish, he defend the time of their inside. Just some of this is a lot. How did this thing happen? You don't, you see, stand on this truth. Yeah, we actually get blessed. I don't know
Thank you, my sister.
Like all these other people.
No,
all these other people that are
God forbid. Oh, no.
It's all you know. And even to your platform one day, you people should stay away from pull down syndrome.
Yeah.
I got mother involved. This guy should go the right way. This young man got to Akwa is a very nice guy. The only thing that is that Akwa is stubborn. Akwa does not take rubbish from people. Akwa has no intimidation from people. All is very stubborn.
Yes.
I'm very stubborn.
Oh,
but because I'm a man.
Oh, my kind of person.
Because I'm a man and I'm under okay. That's why you sometimes man make no. Akwa is very nice. So now this guy got to Akwa in a nice way. Akwa we see now. I'm in a business. You cannot. As no we Roma Jaganogu. But everyone who tell this issue on Facebook, edit tarnish image account and account. I'm looking for you people. For lawyer and charging to court.
If these people that everything made illegal, why are they coming on social media? It would a route to go for this.
Exactly.
Because if you see how harassment this man bullied Akwa, if you want, you can play them one voice note.
I've been watching it. I've been watching it.
In fact, they will see in court. Don't worry.
And this is one thing about Facebook. You people think Facebook give me email. Facebook. All these content creators do now about views. Oh, we go payments because the higher views you have, the more money na Facebook na dosa table no na phone na nkata call and all that. Yeah, me Akwa we start Akwa na majidich. Akwa is not that kind of person. Now, moreover, we are talking about business. So business image. Business is going to drag that to the mud. I always stand on my ground. Whatever you do with somebody, stay away from the person's business. Okay? This man and Akwa, take it off social media. Get to Akwa and hear his own side of the story. Maroka Geshi reconcile. A demand of apology from this man. Yeah, me public apology. Maroka share resolve here. Where I from that one brings me to him to Makaya Boggy. On Facebook now relationship and marriage. Don't ask him who have baked marriage. I don't have experience. Now redeem na bottle. Oh man, I'm not the DI on a bottle. Doctor go to money me.
Demon or put on a bottle. Go to
I just I didn't coach in it. Okay. Videos yesterday. Do you understand? They don't know how stubborn all these men are in a habit. You know what I'm saying is this: look at marriage and the mother of marriage. Why you not about wing? How record hear about the husband, send the area somebody.
Diama can get play very soon. No. If your husband continue to threaten me, I will do otherwise. Then I could
business. My husband is not in support of it, then I will go forward. What kind of marriage is that?
Mamo.
I'm not marriage in the middle of me, but why you na marriage on social media. At least in the mother now that one can respect each other.
Because give my message, my conversation, this woman she was there being the one telling Ako do not respond to them. You need to stop this. Lavish within those.
That means she was selling the business, the market.
No, the voice note. The woman is she that Nayana Badia Kahagabe Diana Kukashi the tin. Diana Kukashina Ban. That Kukupa for radio 80,000, but has not 80,000 on Keja Kugo. I could paid. For a space for them to do still. Diana Shana Kuka Amanomo. The woman has no more than your match or
the man is would you there go for the business?
Amamo.
What is
the woman with that ego? The woman brought out the money.
Oh, the woman know where will go self. When has out.
I'm a maple, she booted the money.
Let them allow us to rest. Guys, husband no saga can have to read family marriage.
But listen, 19 million is nothing. 80 more than that. 80 more than, so why are they crying? See, if you don't have a heart to do business, don't endeavor in it.
Exactly.
Because the business, it may not anchor well with you.
Yeah, but
do you know how much this my big business? Am I telling you that I have started profiting anything? No. It may work tomorrow. You continue to struggle. Business is like you have to build it to your own standard. But in the business IQ. Give me a na here choro my brother here get declaring if you the business start a chiga war billionaire. Na lie. You have to lay the structure. When somebody na nke ex-convicts. People are here about the person na gini mepa because of gini. Oh God. Any dream a lot of people arrest. A lot of people do DJ court.
Social media.
A lot of people
let them be aware. She may announce before the other ones men.
Listen. Akwa from day one. If you leave this Bonilo sun bleaching cream, that he will come back again. And don't give me more damage. I said it. Emma, okay. I could listen. I don't know why you guys are meeting this guy. He's coming for more destructive things. Ya deke bro, masha kugi, ayangba akoshi chetere mbara gi akoshi na oge na kwa na yama. That is the thing na gbagi na anu.
Everywhere. Last week, accused. No report to page, your business page, yeah. This week, already to sell. New products. Me get only as a wholesale. I'm gonna be doing when I want one bottle. Go to beer parlors. What are you telling me? Ghana beer parlors. Supply carton, carry away your fofu. Even if you're still selling it at the same price in Buteria, if you don't want to be a dealer again, you recover your money by selling it 1-1. Manya mega hair expire card. You have manya na one produce, they deliver immediately.
It's 19 million is nothing. 19 million is nothing. All because who be I get your way go. 19 million anyway. Oh, let me tell you. Okay, fine, 19 million or something. But it's here they go lose. It's here na business lose where you move on. If you don't have, if you cannot put what you can endure, don't put. Anything they matter to get here. Yes, it's here.
Because this thing and stay.
Settlement happen settlement agala.
Before the next person there is one post last week. I said, no matter what you people do, you cannot pull a Kozayon down. So better redirect yourselves. That's all these things the social media and justice, Facebook and justice. Facebook go out of social media, go and get a lawyer. Let your lawyer advise you on what to do.
Yeah, they're about to get one. I get spent the
like that. So,
everybody get
my love. I'm literally got put a dog because I put a
but okay, I may say alarm. See you guys. Bye.